How to connect Printify with Shopify. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to connect your Printify account to your Shopify. What you just need to do is log into your Shopify account, and on the left side panel of the screen here, you just click on apps, and you just need to click on app and sales settings. So when you click on it, you will be routed into this page. So what you just need to do is to click on Shopify App Store. That's on the upper right corner, and then just search for Printify on the search box on the top part of the screen. Here, once you search on Printify, you just need to click on this option here. This is the first option that will appear. You just need to click on Add App, and then you can read the informations before you will be adding the application, so you will know what you'll be getting. So once you click on add app, you will be redirected back to Shopify, and then you just need to click on install app. Once you are routed into this page, what you will be doing is that you will be needing to authorize your Printify account. So you just need to log in into your Printify account here using your email, or you can also try to log in using your email address with Google. Here, as you can see now that my Printify account is logged in, you can now successfully connect your Printify into your Shopify account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.